Few years ago, researchers in US demonstrated that pigeons can diagnose cancer. Not only good, but as excellent as an expert human doc. Training human doctors and medical technicians to distinguish cancerous biopsies from healthy ones is time-consuming and very expensive, so the scientists decided to look elsewhere. Pigeon, here we come. The choice of pigeons to substitute our doctors is not very strange if you consider that pigeons have better vision than humans. They actually have 5 primary colors, not 3 like we do, so they can see things our eyes will tend to blur out. After the choice of birds is made, now it is time for the scientists to train these birds. They took 16 pigeons and put each in a box equipped with an iPad. The iPad displays some histopathology samples from breast tissues. And by the sides, a blue and yellow button. If the tissue is cancerous, the pigeon will use its beak to peck the button. And if it is healthy, it'll peck the other button. Every time the pigeon gets the answer right, it is rewarded with some few grains. And if it gets it wrong, it gets nothing. This process is to train the pigeon to be able to communicate what it is seeing by pecking the right button on the iPad. At the first trial, the pigeons had about 50% accuracy. So basically, they are just guessing at that point. But after 15 days of training once a day, the pigeons could accurately select the correct cancer tissue with above 90% accuracy. That's as much humans can do. And by cross-examining all the 16 pigeons, they can decide with accuracy by 99%, better than any computer algorithm. To be sure that the pigeons are not playing a trick on us by memorizing the answers just to get grains, the computer randomizes the images and also regenerates new ones. And their results were still at 90%. Here is the pigeon ready for work. To further prove that the training system works, some set of pigeons were trained with opposite colors, and the result was still perfect. Different brightness, hue, etc. were all tested for the pigeons' performances, and they showed excellence in all the tests.